Hey, my name is Robert Love. On the playa, I'm known as Sky. Today, I am a rainbow unicorn, and I am so excited and honored to be the pillar for radical evolution. I learned about Camp Mystic about 3 years before I was able to join from a mentor of mine, and he makes a major contribution to the world. And I'm so excited to be able to help other people learn about Camp Mystic and the amazing things that we offer. Specifically with Radical Evolution, we are responsible for the art collection, which some of it I have actually behind me right now. So the Visionary Art Series, our speaker series, our transformational speaker series, which is really excellent, as well as the work in the Healing Dome and the workshops and so forth. So if you are passionate about making a difference in the world and sharing your gifts or helping others share their gifts by facilitating a workshop or helping work the speaker series, or you're really passionate about the art, please reach out, let me know. And I'm so excited to meet you at Camp Mystic. Love and blessings to you.